What do you do, YouTube? I really have an issue of not charging this thing. About to do the Yofer side skirt install. And I turn the camera on and it has 1 bar. So, that's not how I wanted that to go. So now, also got some neck pillows. I'm gonna put that in real quick and show you guys what that looks like. Hopefully I have an Underglow kit. Hopefully I can wire that up for you guys as well in this video. I'm gonna just set my phone up and just record for you guys. So yeah, let's go do an unboxing. Bro, this was possibly the most annoying unboxing ever. Like, this shit was wrapped up hella times, bro. It was wrapped in this. It was wrapped in this. And wrapped in that. Like, come on, bro. I'm not wrapping it up to make this junk safe, but that junk is annoying to unbox. I got a Yofer sticker. They gave me 2 rolls of this, and I got an extra roll too, just in case. Yeah, screws. So let's get into it, guys. They look really good. Like, oh my god, like they look so fire. All right, guys. First, I'm gonna jack up the car, and then I'm gonna. See, the car is kind of dirty, so I'm gonna clean the side skirts with alcohol and then put the 3M on and slap it on. So brought home the heat gun too, since these are being applied pushed by 3M. Let's do it. All right, guys, I got the wheels off. Only reason I took the wheels off is because you have to put a screw here and then screw right there, so taking my wheels off is easier, more space. Also, here go the pillows. They match the floor mats. Only thing I don't like is that it's white behind them. Like, let me know what you guys think. Like, because it goes with the floor mats, so it's like. And here go more of my seats for those asking to see and those talking smack about wrinkles. Like I told you guys, over time they went away. Yes, there's a few wrinkles there, but I mean, I've seen worse in person on other cars, so I think mine looks good, quite frankly. Guys, I just wiped here with because it's dusty, so I'm gonna wash the car probably tomorrow. But I had to wipe off all the dirt from here with my quick detailer spray. Now I'm going to wipe this surface with rubbing alcohol, as well as the surface in here for the side skirt. I'm gonna wipe that down with alcohol so it can stick better. The 3M will stick better, and then I'm gonna use a heat gun on that before I plop it onto the car. So let me go find the tripods to kind of set you guys up, show you that, because I don't want this to be a crappy video because my camera is dead. Alright guys, this is probably going to be the worst video ever, but screw it. This is going to be my Corga's Yofer side skirts, because really, I have the tripod right there and I didn't even set it up. I'll set it up on the other side. But, so far, I like the fitment back here. Those screws, that's good. That's there, but I mean, it's kind of like, I don't know, I might touch it up at work with the heat gun. Like, they gave me hella 3M, like a lot of 3M was left over from this, but right here is like not touching. So I don't like that at all. So I need to fix that. You can see the gap. I need to fix that, but I mean, it'll be fine until Monday and I go back to work. So I'm gonna put the wheels on this side and go to the next side. I'll set the camera up for you guys over there. All right, guys, I saw Redline Mod's video and he like put triple the amount of 3M right in this spot. So I'm gonna send that and then see how the fitment is over there. Then I'll just fix that later on. The sun will be setting soon, so Let me set my phone up real quick so you can at least get some footage of me putting this on. Alright guys, so that's the trick. You gotta put 3 layers of 3M for there to be no gap right there. Alright guys, boy Kai came. Side skirts are on. I'm so happy that I got the fitment perfect on the driver's side, so I'm gonna try to sneak like 3M in on the passenger side right now without taking it back off. Hopefully that works. If I don't, I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna try to mount up these Underglow strips somehow. I got a little cheap kit for now. My brother-in-law gave it to me, so just trying it out. If I like this, then I'll get the more expensive one, but see how long these last, if I can get them on the car. I'm looking underneath there trying to see how I'm mount it up, so let's see. Yo, this shit look amazing, bro. This shit looks so low with the side skirt. Like, watch this, guys. The croc barely could get underneath there, my boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright guys, this video totally did not go as planned. Started off as a failure from my camera was dead, but I mean, still gotta put out content. No excuses, man. I got my phone. It does the job, you know. If anything, I'll just make camera's charging right now. I'm gonna make a cinematic video for you guys tomorrow. Just wash the car and then do that. I really wanted to put the Underglow on, but only thing that I had to mount it was 3M, and I don't trust that, so I kind of want to maybe get like some brackets maybe to hold it up. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's tomorrow and try to find something for that. Possibly I'll vlog that process. That's what I can do for tomorrow. I'm gonna keep putting out content for you guys on the daily. I'm trying my best. On the road to 2K subscribers, man. 2,000, man. We're almost there. So run it up for me, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Your boy Ferb, let you out there. Peace.